Have you ever heard the screams of a dying star? No, this isn't science fiction. These are real sounds captured by NASA and space agencies, echoes from the darkest corners of our universe. Today, you're going to hear the most haunted sounds of dead stars and more, including the eerie hum of the sun, the whisper of the moon, the deep roar of black holes, and even the ghostly echo of the Big Bang. So put on your headphones and get ready to hear the universe like never before. Pulsars are the rapidly spinning remains of stars that exploded. They beam out energy like a lighthouse in the void. Sounds like a ticking clock trapped in space. Fun fact, some pulsars spin over 700 times per second, more precise than a Rolex or even an atomic clock. We see the sun every day, but have you ever heard it? Scientists have turned the sun's solar vibrations into sound, and it's not as peaceful as you might expect. It's a constant storm of heat and plasma rumbling across the solar surface. Fun fact, the sun produces sound waves so powerful they could fill a stadium if space weren't silent. The moon doesn't make its own sounds, but when astronauts placed seismometers on it, they heard something strange. Yes, moonquakes. Some lasted for hours. The moon rings like a bell, haunting and hollow. Fun fact, these vibrations revealed the moon might have a solid core. Next, we descend deeper into death, into neutron stars. What's left behind after a supernova collapse is one of the densest, strangest things in the universe. These sounds are what nightmares in space are made of. Fun fact, a neutron star just 20 kilometers wide can weigh more than our sun. Black holes, silent assassins of the universe. But they're not as silent as you'd think. When matter falls in, it vibrates space-time itself. NASA converted these vibrations into sound. A ghostly bass note, the universe humming in agony. Fun fact, some black holes sing at frequencies millions of times lower than we can hear, until science turns them into sound. Now, let's go all the way back to the beginning. The Big Bang wasn't just a burst of light, it was a sound wave stretching across time. What you're hearing is the cosmic microwave background, the faint echo of creation over 13.8 billion years ago. Fun fact, the early universe was dense enough for sound to travel, like a thick, hot fog of energy. Even planets have their songs. Let's start with Jupiter. Its magnetic field creates eerie, whooshing tones. It sounds alive. Fun fact, Jupiter's magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, amplifying its space song. Now listen to Saturn, especially its rings and lightning storms. It's like listening to a celestial thunderstorm. Fun fact, Saturn's rings are made of billions of icy particles, some as small as snowflakes, others as big as mountains. In space, sound can't travel like on Earth. There's no air, but space is filled with plasma, particles, and waves. Satellites and space probes detect electromagnetic vibrations, which scientists convert into audio frequencies we can hear. It's like uncovering the hidden soundtrack of the universe. Pulsars ticking like ghostly clocks, black holes humming in the void, dead stars shrieking in their collapse. The Big Bang itself, still echoing after 14 billion years. These are the haunted voices of the cosmos. Which one sent shivers down your spine? Tell us in the comments below. And if you want to keep exploring the unknown, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. There's a whole universe of strange waiting for you.